So Isaac Newton said, hey, if you want to calculate the force of gravity, you have to multiply the mass of two objects together, and that could be any mass. So it could be the mass of this eraser and this pen here. And so I could calculate the force of gravity between them by just multiplying their masses together, divided by the distance between them squared. But he also said that there's this missing constant called G, or the universal gravitation constant. So not only would I have to multiply the masses of these two objects together and divide by the distance squared, but I would have to also multiply all of that by this constant G. But the problem is, Isaac Newton was never able to figure out what G is. So he actually died before ever figuring out the universal gravitation constant. But luckily, his successor, Henry Cavendish, was able to experimentally find this value of G. And what he found was that G, or the universal gravitation constant, is equal to 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th power. And it does have some units, but those aren't important for this lesson. You can look them up. So to the negative 11th power, if you know scientific notation, what that means is you take this decimal and you move it 11 places to the left. So if we were to write this number in standard form that most people are more comfortable with, G is equal to 0 point, and then there are 10 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 6, 7. So what does that tell us?